Welcome, engineers. Today we're using the Propped Cantilever Calculator for beams fixed at one end and supported at the other. Let's walk through the input fields. First, enter your beam length L in meters. Next, specify the load position A, which is the distance from the fixed end to where your point load is applied. Then input your point load P in newtons. For material properties, enter the elastic modulus E in pascals. Finally, input your moment of inertia I in meters to the fourth power. For our example, I'm entering a beam length of 10 meters, load position at 5 meters, point load of 1,000 newtons, elastic modulus of 2,000 pascals, and moment of inertia of 0.0001. After clicking Calculate, here are our results. The fixed end reaction shows three values: 687.50 newtons, 312.50 newtons, and 625.00 newton meters. The maximum moment is 927.02 newton meters. We also get a deflection of 0.391 millimeters and a final value of 1.35. These outputs help you verify your beam design meets safety requirements. Find the link in the description below.